updates regarding information. We're back on the sidelines of your activities together with me, Salsabila Al-Husna, who will provide the latest and most up-to-date news strong winds that hit Depok City, caused through the mentioned several trees, fell on various locations on Tuesday, November 16, 2023, based on their from the Depok City Park and Rescue Department (DVKV). There were at least 9 trees that fell on Tuesday afternoon. Though the Depok City DVKV Counter Measures Division Denny Remilo said that the fallen trees and damaged roof were caused by tornadoes. There is Bena reporting from the scene. I am Salsabila Lusna, saying goodbye.
Hello, my name is Bena and I'm now in the location. And now I will interview a resident. Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon.
My name is Bena. May I know your name?
Of course, you may. I am Bill Yuri.
Okay, I would like to ask you about the strong winds that hit the city of Depok today. What do you think the impact of this disaster will be?
9 trees were uprooted. The roof house of damaged by the tornado.
Okay, are there any casualties in this disaster?
No, there were no casualties.
Okay, thank you for the information. I'm Bena. I'm reporting from the scene.